have that view over there. That's just pretty awesome. That's almost as awesome as watching that Mike Les guy on YouTube. That is one good-looking tractor and grain cart. Hey everyone, it is Farmhand Mike bringing you another 2020 corn silage video. I am just west of Greenville, Ohio, out at Winter's Meat Farm, and they raise beef and pork. They also have a butchering shop, but they are chopping their corn silage to fill that concrete silo you saw there in the video. They are out here chopping their corn silage today with their John Deere 4450 tractor, pulling a New Holland 892 pull-type forage harvester with a 2-row corn head on it. Also in the video is 2 Badger 16-foot forage boxes, and they are using a John Deere 2840 tractor to pull those boxes from the field back to the silo. And at the silo, you're also going to see a John Deere 4440 tractor hooked to a New Holland 40 Whirl A Feed blower, blowing the silage up into the silo. I got here just as they was chopping their last couple loads of silage and topping off the silo, but got lots of great aerial shots, on the ground shots of all the action. And as I said, this farm has a butchering shop too, a full meat locker. This is where we buy all our meat. They got great cuts, good place to go if you live in the area to get your meat. How would everyone here like to see a future butchering and meat cutting video here from the Winter Farms? Let me know your thoughts below. And look what they got sitting in their barn. A Sperry New Holland 1880 self-propelled forage harvester with a 3-row corn head. This belongs to another farm and is used mostly just for opening up the cornfields before they go in with the pull-type chopper. And this is just a neat find here. They're done with it for the year, but hopefully next year I can get back here and we can see this thing run and I can get it filmed and put up here on YouTube. New Holland first rolled the 1880 off the assembly line in 1968. That's the same year I rolled off the assembly line, so 52 years old. Pretty nice shape for the age. Let's just take a walk around it, check it all out. I am sure with that big Caterpillar engine in the back there, you would definitely want to be wearing hearing protection when running one of these bad boys. Anyways, hopefully next year. That's going to wrap up this video. I still have a lot more corn silage videos coming to the channel, so stay tuned for those. Feel free to comment below, hit that like button. You can also find me on Instagram and Twitter at Farmhand Mike. And as always, thanks for watching and supporting my YouTube channel.